Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's choose the settings. Here let's scroll down and find security. Scroll down and choose encryption and credentials. At the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so simply tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to remove all the contents. Let's tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, simply enter it in order to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage is erased. And that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.